Hello, everyone, and welcome back. Okay, so we have an update here. Okay, so update-wise, we are expanding. We so I got into a CCP with Sync. They are something like a competition to 11 Labs. So they just added a new type of thing that we'll be reviewing tomorrow, and I just got into Pojo AI. So Pojo AI is it's something kind of like video and everything, so that's kind of good. Update on Blue, so the it looks good. The new browser they did their London type of thing. It looks really good. Only issue is that it's on Mac, so I'm gonna have to wait a little bit because obviously I'm a Windows user, so there is that. So let's see what we can do. We're gonna do a chatbot. Okay, so we're gonna make a chatbot. We got some bits and pieces. We tried doing it before, but I think it glitched out. So let's see now. Trust failed. Okay. Kinda sucks. That's the one. Right now. Okay, we tried a couple of times. So kind of odd that I had this type of stuff already, but it's not. It wasn't really adding up. So okay, let's see. So I said myself, okay, so we tried twice already. So let's see. Let's see if I just type, "Can you please make me a chatbot?" Like, what happens at this stage? Because like I already had some of the code, but for some reason it wasn't really working. But now it's saying, "Can you please make me a chatbot?" Like it worked. So I don't know, man. Sometimes the AI is really weird. Like it really is. Like if you to really look at it, like it's odd. Like okay, so I have all the definitions of the chatbot. I want you to make me a chatbot from this, and then I import the code, and it still says sorry, I can't make the chatbot. And then all of a sudden, I just type in, "Can you please make me a chatbot?" And then it does it again. Like like I don't know, man. Like I guess it's like more the sense of like how it's to be. Like obviously training wise, like looking like it, like it all depends on like how it's trained. So there you go. There's a chatbot. Hi there, I'm your AI assistant. Okay, so let's see what happens. Let's have a conversation. I don't know. Just to test it out, just to see. What can I say? I guess a business plan. I don't know, just something random, just something off the top of my head right here. There you go. There you go. Grammarly and everything. I don't know. Let's just see how this turns out. Just something random. Um, for a bakery. Something off the top of my head. Okay, so obviously it needs to be connected to something, but obviously there you go. And there you go. This is how you would make a chatbot with Tencent Hunyuan. So obviously a couple of attempts. So my attempts, obviously, as you can see here, I posted the code, and it said that it just failed. And then this one again, I posted a lot of other type of stuff, and then it said it failed for some odd reason. I don't understand. And then this is just like, okay, it failed twice. What would happen if I just point blank say, "Can you please make me a chatbot?" What would happen? Just to see. All of a sudden, there you go. Seriously? Really? 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 Either way, it's just an interesting take on certain things. Thank you all for watching. Don't forget to like, favorite, and subscribe. And as always, Mr. Z, signing out.